Hey guys, so here I just saved some of replies on subreddit for replacement for Chai app because Chai app seems becoming paid only. And yes, so now you see that people are looking for some alternatives. So everything is available on iOS. So here is someone created like a list of apps where everything is available on iOS. And yeah, so these are not like websites. So Hi Waifu, you can see in here Seasol. So Seasol recently is going through the top charts. Character AI. So Character AI, yeah, you can see long replies to messages, good memory, minus blocked in some regions. GAI, Janitor AI. The minus is this just limited messages 30 per day. Swerve, long reply to messages 50/50 memory, but again limited messages. High AI, unlimited messages, but with ads. Minus is that like few bots can be sealed. And then Ducci, you can create your own persona. And then minus is like short replies. And Digital Soul, good replies, but limited roles, lots of ads, few bots. So that's what it is. Yeah, so that's just what people trying to have. Also, Emoji AI. Fiction Lab, Soulkins. So then people just plug in their stuff into this. Grok, Spicy Chat. So that's kind of the idea, and that's what it is.